Take Profit Trader just exposed everyone. I used a feature on Tradovate I've never used before, and it's helping me today. And I'm also going to show you a setup that made me over 1,300 bucks on the day. Let's go ahead and jump in. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today's video, we're going to be going over a brand new addition to the dashboard over at Take Profit Trader. Just recently, I saw people slamming Take Profit Trader about them being outdated when it comes to their dashboard. Well, now I think they're like super in the future because the things you're going to get to see are absolutely insane. I'm going to show you my dashboard here, and it looks like something from NASA, honestly. There's freaking squiggly lines and numbers all over the place, but it's extremely easy to understand. I'm also going to be showing you a feature that I've never used before on Tradovate, and I used it today. I gotta say, I'm pretty happy I used it on at least this account. And I'm also going to share with you a setup that made me money today. I was down, I was green, then I was red, then I went back to green, and this setup was the one that saved the day for me. There's a really good lesson in that you're not going to want to miss, and we're going to go over all of this in that order. Now, before we move any further, remember to check out the links in the description and comment section of this video. You got a massive, and I mean massive, flash sale going on at Take Profit Trader, 50% off. That's never been done before at Take Profit Trader. 50% off all their accounts, no activation fee. You can't beat it. Code all caps JESSEW. And then Apex just came out again with 90% off on all their accounts this time, including the end of day. So $39.90 for a 50K eval. You can't beat that. I just checked it right here on my dash. I'm looking at it. So same code, all caps JESSEW. Tradify has the Grand Cup cooking up. It starts on the 17th. I just realized that I'm in the Grand Cup, and on the 20th, I'm leaving on a trip. I don't know what. I better make enough money on those first couple of days to qualify for in the top 1,000. Otherwise, I'm pretty damn cooked. So if you want to sign up for the Grand Cup, link in the description and comment section of this video. Just click the Tradify link. It'll take you there. You can go ahead and sign up. Lucid also with some good specials. All of them are down there in the description and comment section of this video. So make sure you check them out. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. Well, here it is, guys. This is what you're going to see. When you go to your dashboard, you'll have a little tab that looks kind of like this right here on the upper left-hand side. You click that and it takes you here, and then you can adjust all your filter parameters to look at your stats. Well, before I forget, comment in the comment section below and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you're alerted about all my videos. But if you comment in the comment section below, you're going to automatically be entered into a shot at winning a 50K eval at Take Profit Trader. I just gave away 10 of those this week on a live stream, and I had done 6 a couple of days prior to that from my previous videos. So this month alone, I've already given away over 16 evals. So make sure to participate in that. All right, so here you go. You got your TPT score coming soon. I don't know exactly what this is. I'm suspecting it could be like a ranking of all the traders in the firm. Maybe that'd be pretty cool if it is. I think that would incentivize you to do better because you're going to want to see that be nicely in the green. And then you have your trades completed, sides of the trade expectancy, and closed P&L. All right, and then you can filter out by date, you can filter out by vehicle that you've traded, time frames, of course, all that good stuff. If you scroll on down, you'll see your calendar here. Now, I think this is going to be one of those things that's going to kind of freak out people in a way, because you're going to come here, you're going to be like, damn, I lost 2,900 bucks on that day. Damn, I lost 6,000 bucks on that day. Look, I don't think that is the case, in my opinion. I mean, that's the number's probably correct. I'm talking about that you didn't lose 6,000 bucks. You know what I'm saying? You didn't lose, you lost whatever the eval cost you, 130 bucks, 100 bucks, whatever it is. Right now with 50% off, you can get yourself a 50K eval for, I think it's like $80 something or $70 something. Coupon code all caps JESSEW. You can't even beat that, JESSEW. Anyways, you know, on this day, for example, I made $10,000 in change. Banger day. But did I really make $10,000? Can I put $10,000 in my pocket? Maybe with time progresses. The max I could have put in my pocket that night when everything settled was $5,500 because you got to leave a buffer, otherwise you lose the account. Did I put $5,500 in my pocket? No, I didn't. I did a draft for $3,750. Today on that same account, I made another $1,390. So I'll put in another payout tonight. So, you know, if I keep trading that account well, yeah, by sometime next week, maybe I'll have put $10,000 in my pocket out of that one account from that singular day. That's the thing with props. You know, you make the amount of money, but you got to leave buffers in there so that you don't lose the account. So you're going to be able to take out whatever the max is on the buffer, on the account, you know, taking into account the buffer. So always keep that in mind. Anyways, this is looking pretty damn good. You can go ahead, scroll on down, see all your days. You can see your short and long setups, how much you've made short, how much you've made long. You know, you could see the max amount of lots you have traded, right? Long trades, 140, short trades, 254. I've always said I'm a better bear than bull. You could see it all right here. And you scroll on down, you can see your expectancy, your win-loss ratios, P&L distribution. I think a lot of this stuff, this is like I think it's in a beta. So I'm not quite sure if these figures are all 1000% correct. Maybe they are, maybe they're not. We'll figure it out in the coming days or weeks as they go ahead and start to, push updates to all of this. Even on the dashboard itself, it doesn't even say this system is live. It says coming soon. But when I clicked it, it showed me all this. I was like, okay, cool. Let's go take a look at it. You can see all your completed trades and you can actually export them, which is pretty cool. You can put them as P&L and you can see the green and the red and the green and the red and the green and the red. You can come up here and click more filters and then you can go by account. Like you can see the stats on one specific account, on one specific product. You can even go by setup here at some point. No option available yet, but maybe there's going to be something here where you can set it up. And you know how cool it would be if you can come here and just write bull flag or bear flag, and the system can see how many times you've traded that setup and how you've done. That would be freaking sick. You can see things like your gains and losses, your maximum gain, your maximum loss. That's disgusting. Your average gain towards your average loss, and your, basically your hold times as well. So the system has a lot there that it can show you, and I think it's going to have a whole lot more as time progresses. You can select whether you want to see your pro accounts, your test accounts, or your pro plus accounts, all that good stuff. You can see it all there if you want, and apply those filters. You can change your currency up here as well, from USD to ticks, 3,000 ticks. Okay. Well, and what was the tool I used today? Well, I'm going to show you right here. So today I started off the day nicely in the green, $1,000. Then I quickly went into the red. I wasn't in the red all $2,000 at once. I was red a little bit. Then I lost, made back some, bang, 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 until I got myself back to the green, waiting for one specific setup. I chopped myself up because I was a little bit impatient, and that is what cost me the money today. But I still wound up being up $1,390 on the day. So $1,400 on the day, not bad. You could see here my biggest loss was $685. My largest win, $870. Average winning trade, 510. Average losing trade, 374. So these metrics were picture perfect. Well, almost anyways. And my average losing time, just 48 seconds, where average winning time was almost 2 minutes. Longest winning trade was almost 4 minutes, whereas my longest losing trade was just a little bit over 2 minutes. So all my trading was proper. I just got myself a little bit chopped up. Only 53% accuracy needed, but still nicely in the green. And when you scroll on down here, you could see, all the extra details. But what I want to show you here is just simply put my losses to my wins. My biggest loss, we already know, was $685, but my biggest win was $845. So, managing risk, getting things done right. Added just a tad here, was trying for a little bit more, made another $115 at the end. And that's when I said, you know what, it's time to shut this down. But back in April, I did similar things. And what ended up happening was I came back during the day, take a look at the charts. I was like, oh, could be a little trade here. Ended up giving back all my profit on the day. This happened to me multiple times back in April. So I did something that I've never done before. I did this, and I locked myself out of that one specific account for the day. Booked the $1,390, put them in my pocket. That is the same account I made $10,000 in yesterday. So that account now has over $7,000 in profit after my payout that was approved. Put in for a payout last night, was approved by this morning. So $3,000 into my pocket. And today I've already made $1,390. So almost half the profit I took out, I've made back. If I can bang out another green day tomorrow, that'd be really nice. I'll probably take another small payout tonight out of today's gains, and we'll just keep trying to push that account out a little bit more. Now, I've never used this feature before in my life, but it was there. I could see it, and I said, you know what, Jesse, on this account, let's do that. And that's the only pro account I have over at Take Profit Trader. After that, I continued trading in my Apex PAs, and I wound up making a couple $100 across 8 accounts, 2 different trades, trading 4 accounts at a time using the copy trader and Tradovate. You guys always ask me, what copy trader do you use, Jesse? I use the native copy trader inside of Tradovate's platform. That's it. That's all I use. Another question I get asked often is, Jesse, how do you stay in winning trades longer? Look, I'm going to show you, because yesterday was a perfect example of staying in a winning trade longer. Okay, so we're going to scroll on down here. Yesterday, I did have size. I had 12 contracts at one point. I scaled in and I scaled out of the trade. How do you stay in winning trades longer? By scaling out of the trade. You could see here, you know, I shorted 2 of these NQ right here, and I just kept adding to this winner, right? I kept adding to the winner, adding to the winner. I sold here at 29,279. I made $999. Sorry, 990 bucks on that one. On this one, we went ahead. We made 590 bucks over here. 900 on this set. 700, 1,000, 880, 1,200, 465, and on these 2 right here, I made $3,320. That was my very last sale of. Oh, actually, my very last. Oh, should have been right. Yeah, 6 minutes. My very last cover of the morning. $3,320. And you can see here, I'm short, where is it? 29,279, and I'm buying it at 29,254. So we're peeling off points. A lot of people are like, oh, how many ticks? Bro, I don't look at ticks. Never have it. That's not like a show-off thing. I look for points. I try to get myself 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 points at a time. Depending what the market volatility is giving me, that's what I'm going to shoot for. Just the other day, I got short on MU. And I had a $35 stop loss per share. Somebody on Twitter, a follower, he was like, bro, 35 bucks? Like he wrote. And I was like, yeah, 35 bucks. But I'm looking to make way more than that. My best cover on that short was $707 from a 780 ad. So as long as you have your risk reward to parameters set, you're good to go to jump on the trade. If you're not comfortable with that risk, you can always drop it to micros, etc. The thing is, manage the risk and then let the chart tell you where your stop loss and your targets are. So the way to stay in winning trades longer is to scale out. Have more than one contract. If you can only trade 1 mini because that's all you can, then trade 10 micros. That way you can stay in that winning trade a little bit longer. And here we have it, guys. Philippians 4:6-7. Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition with thanksgiving, present your request to God, and the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. Your mind cannot be anxious and thankful at the same time. That's why I love this. God has given us in his word exactly the recipe on how to remain positive and how to control anxiety, because he's always telling us to be thankful. So let God know what you're anxious about. Be thankful, okay? Just be thankful, because there's always something to be thankful about. You got up this morning, you're breathing, be thankful. A lot of people didn't. A lot of people didn't wake up this morning. That's wild. So make sure to just be thankful. If you bring your petition or what you're going through to God and you tell him, God, these are the things that are bothering me, but thank you. Thank you because you're listening to me. Thank you because I am alive. Thank you because I have, a roof over my head. Thank you because I have 3 meals a day at least. Thank you for, these are the minimums, guys. And you're saying thank you for this. Your mind can't be anxious and thankful at the same time. So remain in that thankfulness. Remain in it, and you will see that God will guard your heart. You will not be able to remain in that anxiety state for much longer, but you have to practice this every single day. It's not a one-off. Just like trading, learning how to trade a bear flag today or a bull flag today isn't going to translate into instant profits tomorrow. It's the same thing. So every day, come to him in this fashion right here, step by step. And praying isn't fancy. You could sit there, close your eyes and pray a little bit, open up your eyes and read this again and just follow that template. And if you're doing it from in here, he's going to receive it and put it in Jesus' name. Well, guys, that's it for me today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video and or go live. And I hope to catch you on another one. Peace.